Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily put batteries in your XIAOMI S400 composition scale. So first, make sure to turn your weighing scale around. And now, take off the cover right here. Here, you need to enter 3 AAA batteries, just like that. Now put back the cover and turn your scale around. As you guys can see, now here we have it indicated that it works. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.